Right, everyone, welcome back. We're going to be going over order flow. So what's order flow? In short terms, order flow is simply a series of medication. So let's say we have strong high, right? And it came into a order block in here. Then we have another break of structure. Came in to mitigate that block. And that one created, let's say, rejection block. Another break. Came into that block. And fulfill the overall picture. So order flow is simply a series of medication where when price break structure, right? So after the order block is formed and price break structure, there's what I like to call simply a small little void, right? Price pushes away from the area and then eventually comes back. So it's pretty much the institution is mitigating out of their position or out of their orders. So you have the block, it creates some type of void, push away, come back. Create a block, push away, come back. All right. That's pretty much order flow. It's just order blocks, rejection blocks, breaker blocks being mitigated back to back to back where the money is at. So, right where the money is at. Came out to mitigate out the position, came to collect the money, push away, collect the money, push away, right? But before they even come back to collect the money, they build up a reason to go back down to mitigate that area and continue going. And it's the same thing on every time frame. The minute, seconds, daily, monthly, because the market is fractal. Right? That's pretty much order flow. They're just mitigating out of their positions. The big players are mitigating out of their positions. Right? So in short term, it creates a block or a POI. They push away, they build up, take out the retail, mitigate, push away. They build up, they take out the retail, come back, mitigate. Right? That's order flow. That's mitigation, right? It's simple as that. It's just a consistent series of mitigation, right? They're making out of their position. Okay. So that's it for now. On to the next one.